Have you ever thought about creating your own butterfly garden oasis? Just imagine, not only providing a sanctuary for these beautiful creatures, but also enhancing the beauty of your yard. Creating a butterfly garden can be a fun and rewarding project. The first step in creating a butterfly garden is choosing the right plants. It's essential to opt for nectar-rich flowers as they'll serve as a buffet for your winged visitors. Plants like milkweed and butterfly bush are prime choices. Don't forget about the caterpillars. They prefer to munch on plants like parsley and fennel. By incorporating a diverse selection of plants, you're setting the stage for a vibrant butterfly gathering. Remember, the more variety of plants, the higher the chances of attracting different butterfly species. Once you've chosen your plants, the next step is designing your garden. Creating an appealing layout for butterflies involves a bit of strategy. Butterflies love basking in the sun, so ensure there are sunny spots among the foliage. Arrange the plants in clusters as butterflies prefer this to solitary plants. Remember to mix different types of flowers and include varying heights for visual interest. This helps mimic the wild environment butterflies are used to. A well-designed garden can turn your yard into a butterfly paradise. After planting your garden, it's important to maintain it properly. This involves regular watering to keep the plants healthy and hydrated. Avoid using pesticides as these can harm butterflies and other beneficial insects. Instead, opt for natural pest control methods. Also, consider the practice of deadheading, which involves removing wilted flowers. This encourages new blooms, providing a continuous supply of nectar for our fluttering friends. With proper care, your garden can provide a haven for butterflies throughout the season. So, are you ready to create your own butterfly garden oasis? Remember, it's all about selecting the right plants, designing a welcoming space, and maintaining it well. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!